How to make tear gas in your basement. The method of making tear gas is so simple that anyone can do it. The two things to remember are care and caution. You will need a certain amount of equipment, but just like the chemicals, it is available from any hobby shop or home chemical supplier. If you don't already own a gas mask, go out there and get one. They are sold at Army-Navy stores for under $10. Listed below are the materials necessary. Number 1, ring stand. Number 2, alcohol lamp. Number 3, a flask, 300 milliliters. Number 4, clamp. Number 5, rubber stopper. Number 6, gas tubing. Number 7, clamp holder. Number 8, rubber tubing. Number 9, condenser. Number 10, rubber tubing. Number 11, ring stand. Number 12, clamp and clamp holder. Number 13, rubber tubing. Number 14, rubber tubing. Number 15, glass tubing. Number 16, rubber stopper. Number 17, collecting bottle. Number 18, glass tubing. Number 19, rubber tubing. Number 20, glass tubing. Number 21, rubber tubing. Number 22, air trap bottle. Number 23, glass tubing. Number 24, rubber tubing. Number 25, glass tubing. And lastly, number 26, a beaker, 300 milliliters. Method for preparing tear gas. Number 1, work in a garage or outside if possible, not in the kitchen. Number 2, mix 10 parts of glycerine with 2 parts of sodium bisulfate in flask. Number 3, and heat. Do not fill more than 1/3 of the flask, as mixture froths when heated. When the frothing begins, adjust heat. Number 3, as soon as you see no more tear gas being generated and solids being too formed in the generating flask, number 3, or a brown residue in the tube, number 6, remove the heat source with your gas mask on and pour out the residue in flask. You must pour this outside. Do not pour down sink or toilet. Number 4, remove collecting jar. Number 17, and stopper it quickly. What you have collected here is tear gas. Number 5, do not attempt to make more than 3 ounces at one time. Number 6, make sure all joints are tight. Method to step up equipment. Number 1, metal-based ring stands 1 and 11 are placed on working surface. Number 2, clamp and clamp holder, number 4 and 7, are placed onto the ring stand of number 1. Number 3, clamp and clamp holder 12 are placed on ring stand number 11. Number 4, generating flask 3 is placed in clamp 4. Number 5, 2 pieces of rubber tubing 10 and 13 are connected to condenser 9. Number 6, condenser 9 is placed into clamp 12. Number 7, segment of glass tubing 6 is placed in rubber stopper 5. Number 8, segments of glass tubing 15 and 18 are put into rubber stopper 16. Number 9, segments of glass tubing 20 and 23 are put into rubber stopper 21. Number 10, rubber stopper 5 is put into the mouth of generating flask 3. Number 11, rubber stopper 16 is put into mouth of collecting bottle 17. Number 12, rubber stopper 21 is put into mouth of air trap bottle 22. Number 13, connect glass tubing 6 with condenser 9 and with rubber tubing 8. Number 14, connect condenser 9 with glass tubing 15 and with rubber tubing 14. Number 15, connect glass tubing 18 with glass tubing 20 and rubber tubing 19. Number 16, connect glass tubing 23 with glass tubing 24 and with rubber tubing 24. Number 17, connect rubber tubing 13 to a faucet. Number 18, put end of rubber tubing 10 into a sink or drain. Number 19, fill beaker 26, 3/4 full of water and place glass tubing 25 in the water. Number 20, put ingredients into generating flask 3. Number 21, turn on water to rubber tubing 13. Number 22, light wick on alcohol heater 2 and place under generating flask 3. The best method for putting tear gas into operation is to place it under pressure in a glass vial or bottle. Then throw the bottle at the target you have in mind. The glass will break on contact and allow the tear gas to escape. Other successful methods have been proven, including compressing in an atomizer, aerosol can, or seltzer bottles, and the like.